Welcome to The Interest. I'm Christine Stewart. Has 2024 started off on the road to riches? Our friend Steve Richmond can be your guide. Later, insider Shane Kidwell will be talking tech. But first, the Federal Housing Finance Authority has mobilized 8 working groups to ensure Fannie and Freddie can continue to accomplish their housing finance missions amidst our Earth's quickly changing climate.
That doesn't matter whether you're a government worker like myself, whether you're a mortgage broker, whether you're a lender or a servicer, a member of the Congress, or a member of the press. We all are confronted with these realities. We all have to adapt.
The FHFA's literature review found that climate risks are at least partially capitalized in housing values, influencing lender and consumer behavior. Going forward, the agency plans to dedicate one of its annual summits to this issue.
The good news is that we're going to have a climate summit, if you will, an econ summit devoted to climate every fall.
As the agencies adjust operations to mitigate the change of the mortgage world, lenders will have to adjust as well. One of those already preparing for this is Planet Home Lending in Meriden, Connecticut.
I would tell you that the MBA, the agencies, and our regulators, they're all watching this issue carefully. It's receiving more and more attention every single day.
For more on how climate change is and will impact housing finance, visit mortgagebankermagazine.com. For The Interest, I'm Christine Stewart.
Angel AI is revolutionizing the home financing process. Here to tell us about it is Pavan Agarwal, the CEO of Celigence, the company behind this new amazing app. Tell us how Angel AI is helping the home financing process.
We use empathetic AI technology, so Angel AI understands the emotions behind human inputs so that the application to approval to close of a mortgage is nearly free of human touch and free of human error, and is lightning fast compared to the manual standards of the real estate industry today.
What about the people who have found it hard to get a mortgage?
Angel AI has made the approval process for mortgages fair and transparent, such that we have cut the decline rates for minority communities by half relative to the national average. Just go to angelai.com or click the Ask Angel AI Now button and ask Angel AI your home finance questions, or simply ask her to send you one of these cool free t-shirts. Angel AI has transferred the home financing business and made it fairer and easier for everyone.
Hey everybody, thanks for tuning into our Master the Market segment. So the roller coaster lives on. Last week we were watching interest rates drop like a rock up until Thursday with a 10-year note hit 381. Then all of a sudden we get this jobs report come out for January, which was, candidly looking back, a head scratcher on every level, right? 353,000 headline job. There wasn't a person on the planet forecasting that. But when you looked under the details, in that report and household survey, we actually lost 60,000 full-time jobs. So I think the market still have a lot of questions, but that leads us now into this week. And this week you'll have the Fed officials on parade, and they will be spouting no rate cuts. And we agree, there's no chance of a rate cut now in our eyes in March unless something unforeseen bad happens. And then we have a lot of debt. 10-year notes and 30-year bonds, long-term paper has been giving the bond market a problem. So how quickly things have changed. Listen, have yourself a great week, and we'll be talking to you soon. Bye for now.
Okay, Vince, I'm going to give you a scenario. Let's say you got helicoptered into a new market, you're an originator, and you have to create a pipeline of business. What are you doing?
Boy, okay. So this is sort of a coaching question.
Yeah,
How are you
yeah.
gonna get there?
Yeah,
All
that's Eddie
Not so much a cage match between you and me, but if we came in, how would we go after the competition? How would we fill this pipeline?
Yeah, yeah.
So we're gonna fight everybody else out there for
Yeah, we're gonna hear the wrong way, then you're gonna hear the right way.
Oh, well, okay. Well, let's see. All right. So what would I do? If I'm in there and I'm brand new in a market, I've just been dropped. It's a completely different state. It's completely different. And I'm
they don't
an
know
originator.
you.
I've just dropped in there. All right.
You have no resources, nothing.
Nothing. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to first give myself 2 to 3 weeks to get my first business coming in the door. I'm going to go to every school board meeting, every planning and zoning commission meeting going on here. If there's a Kiwanis Club in town, I'm going there. I'm going to go meet everybody. I'm going to look up everybody that's got something before the zoning board that might need, or the Board of Assessment.
Yeah.
And I'm going to go and I'm going to say, I'm going to offer my services to show what your thing is worth. And so I'm going to try to help you. And if I can help you with those things there, please tell your friends that I've been, smart and I've been helpful, and here I am. I can get things done. That's probably the first line of attack I would go for.
For going for reverse mortgages and senior citizens, is what you're saying? I like that. It's listen, 1990. This is a great strategy.
Okay.
Really great way to do it.
What would you do?
Oh, I mean, come on. Like, so let's say if I'm trying to woo a new market, I'm going to create content around this new market. I'm going to become the digital mayor of that market. I'm going to go into there. I'm going to do the 5 best playgrounds in fictitious Ville.
Yeah.
I'm going to.
That social media strategy is great. I said I was going to have business up and running in 3 weeks. Yours is going to take maybe 3 to 6 months, because you know what you don't have on social media?
Talking about
a new market. You don't.
I got a phone. I got a phone.
Followers.
Oh my!
And you're going to go out there, and I'm going to go out and I'm going to find people who need my services right away. I'm going to be where these folks. Hey, the school board are full of people who need a place to live.
Oh, yeah. Do you think
the school board?
The school board is just going to show up there? And have you ever been on a school board?
I actually have. I've been at a lot of school board meetings over the years.
You don't just walk in.
There's an
and just
audience
say
full of people who are all there before the school board meets. It's great.
So with my strategy, I'm also going to do video profiles on the local restaurants, because why? They're going to take my video and share it. I'm going to do it on the local toy stores, all local.
They may well do that, and everybody's going to think that you're Yelp. And I think that's great if you're trying to set up a new Yelp account or sell ads for Yelp. But if you are looking to bring mortgages to you,
with old people,
you need to create a connection. And you create a connection first. You said helicoptered in, you got to build it right now. I'm not saying long-term strategy shouldn't include social media. Of course it should, and advertising, and you should be out there doing community events. But the first thing you do is you go where people who have a vested interest in that community and need a home. Listen, Planning and Zoning Commission, Board of Assessment, School Board, even the regular, town selectmen or whatever those things are.
All those
people have to be first-time home buyer.
All those people who they already have relationships. They already.
Not with loan originators. We already know that loan originators are terrible at keeping in touch with people.
Okay.
Everybody is fair game for any new LO. That's what I would do. Yours, you'll get business someday. Hopefully you've got a good bank account to carry you until that works. Mine, you'll have money within the first month or so.
If it's 1994.
Victory.
That's so farthest thing from victory. Your 1994 business plan does not apply today.
For more on these and all of today's top stories, go to nationalmortgageprofessional.com.